Yo, John. Yo, John. Not now. I'm busy. I got something cool. I said not now. I'm busy. I'm doing something very important here. Alright, man? Sheesh. Freak! What? Look what you made me do, bruh. What is it that is this important that you need from me? Is that the new GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition with the built-in gimbal-like stabilization? Oh yeah. Hand it over. Now. I don't wanna. You don't wanna. You're gonna give it to me. You were being a mean beef jerky. Bruh! Give me that camera! Oh. Sucker! You hit me with a... You suck! What's good in the hood, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever. Hopefully you guys like that little skit that I did in the beginning. As you guys can see from that little short film, you guys know what it is. Bam! It's about this baby right here, the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. This camera is a beauty, man. I wanted to go over a couple of stuff with you guys with this camera. Hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm still a noob at it. I don't know much about this camera. You know, make a little video to show you guys what you guys gonna be getting into. There's gonna be a whole bunch of other videos out there with this. They're all pros. I'm a beginner, so I want to show you guys from a beginner point of view. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I mean? Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Haha! Alright guys, now I'm back. So this is the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition, okay? Side by side with the GoPro Hero 4. Alright, so let me get back to the GoPro Hero 7 real quick. Right out the box, it's like a sleek black. It's really nice. It feels really good in the hand. Compact. The screen, I noticed that the screen is a little bit bigger. Yeah, let me take this out of this thing. To open it, it's just like your ordinary ones. Just pull from the back. Lift up. Bring this back here. And you just push it down. It's okay because this thing right here, that's a lens protector. You can take that off. I still have some problems trying to take it off. Yeah, when I first got this, it was for Christmas from my lady, my beautiful girlfriend. She got it for me, so I was really happy about that. So bam, oh man, I need to buy like a screen protector for this. It is beautiful, man. Side by side comparison. Ooh, get it out the glare. Back side. Side. See that? Listen. Okay, so for this one, it has a door on it, or the little latch, just like this one. I took it off because one, when it goes into this case right here, I want to be able to charge it instead of like keep on taking it out of the case and then like removing the door and stuff like that. So that way I can just put it in like this. Bam. And it shows right there, and I can just record and charge at the same time if I want. Oh, that's the cool thing about this GoPro. You can actually use a power bank and charge it while you're filming. So that's the cool part. I don't think you can do it with this one. Maybe you can. I don't. I haven't messed around with the GoPros in a long time. So anyways, let me turn this bad boy on for you guys. All right, but to turn on, you go for this one right here. This button that says mode, just like all your other GoPros. Bam. That baby's on. Go. Oh. See, whoa. Anyways, so there's some cool stuff you could do with this GoPro. Let me switch it over. Alright, so for this GoPro, it shows you a lot of stuff. It shows you the battery power, which is right there. Alright, there you go, guys. So for this is the screen. This is the home screen. You see the battery power right there with the percentage on it. Full battery. Well, it's at 97. Let's see, right now I'm shooting at 1080 by 120 and wide angles. So the only thing you could do is wide angles. You can't really click anything else but that. This one can shoot from 4K, well, 720, 1080, 2.7K and 4K. So you have a lot of options to film from. I like the 1080 since a lot of people don't have 4K anyways. Me myself don't have 4K, so it takes a little longer to render as well. Scroll down, you have this little rabbit thing. That's like the quick caption. It says it right there. The sound, I don't know. When I see that little icon, I'm thinking about music. Oh, can you guys even see that? Hopefully you guys can see that. But I'd rather have it off, just so it could be more like quiet when I take it to play. Anyways, yeah, and this one right here, that one is the voice command, which is pretty dope. So you could be like, GoPro, turn off. Oh, that was awesome. That was my first time using it. GoPro, turn on. Alright, so you can't do that. Alright guys, I am back. I had to remove the battery. Something happened, it froze. That's the one thing I don't like about this. It freezes up a lot. But anyways, okay, back to what I was saying. So yeah, so it has the voice command on it. Let's see, when you swipe left and right, it'll just take you to like photos, or if you want, you can video or time lapse or time warps. It has all those features on it. See? Yeah, but I stick with the videos because I like to make videos. And after when you film, let's try that out. You just hit this button right here. Alright, see that? See how it looks like? Here, I'm gonna do a little test. Alright guys, this is a voice test and a audio, or this is an audio test and a video test. So you guys can hear my voice straight from the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. And this is how it looks. That's my hand. I always like to do these type of things to see the quality. Whoa. This is my setup at the moment to film. Yeah, it's kind of whack. That's my guitar. Okay, and that is about it. That's a wrap for that one. Alright, so to stop it, you just press this button. Alright, now to play back, all you have to do is swipe up. And it takes you over there. I'll play by itself. See that? Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the video in this video, if that makes sense, so don't worry about that. And okay, now we're gonna talk about the outside part of it, alright guys? So in order to remove this part right here, to get into your battery and to get into your SD card, you just press that button right here, push down, side or the side, whatever. You got, that's the battery. Get this little black tape right here. Take that bad boy out. Bam, that's the battery. I suggest you go buy like 2 more extra batteries, because these things, they be going crazy. Like it'll drain your battery so quick. And your SD card is right there. So you just press that little button right there, and it comes right off like Hadouken. See right there? Yes, I got only the 32. I'm too broke to get like the other ones. Remind you, this is a gift, okay? Thank you again, boo boo. Alright, to insert it, same thing, the reverse, until you hit a click. Take the battery, slide that bad boy in. Hadouken! Hadouken! Is it? Make sure it goes all the way in, okay? I knew that. I had it on the other way. Ooh, I almost destroyed my camera. Alright, so it goes all the way down until it's a flat surface. Then you close, push down, and it locks right in place. It's not going nowhere. Alright, so on this side, you got your charger, and also to put into the PC to, what's that? Import your files, your videos onto your PC. I don't really know what the other one is. I barely know what this one does neither. Well, one of these. The other one, you know what, I think it's to stream on TV. That's what I think. And I'm gonna keep messing with this, and if I find some tips and tricks, I'll for sure share it with you guys, so we can all be filmmakers, you know what I mean? Yada that saying. Comparison with this one, I gotta say I like the 7 more. Well, of course, because this one's the older model now, but not just because of that, but it has just more features now. Or yeah, it has more features now, and you can take this part off and you can customize it, so you can put any different color you want on it. It's more responsive, faster, and you can shoot in 4K at 60 FPS, I believe. And yeah, this one you can, but it's at 30 and it's really choppy. So yeah, anyways, that is my conclusion. Is that my conclusion? Yeah, that is my conclusion for the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition Focus. Yeah, and I say it's a thumbs up, man. If you guys want to go out to go get a GoPro, it's good for your collection, it's good for your filming. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Oh, and it has a built-in stabilization. Boy, you can't beat that, man. So you can take this on your bike or your skateboard or whatever and just like it's gonna be kind of smooth, or smoother than, you know, one of these ones. But I love both of these. I love the GoPro Hero editions and all that, whatever. And yeah. Alright guys, if you guys have any more questions, leave it down below and I'll try to help you guys out. I'm still new to this too, so I'm not a professional like all those other videos. I just like to make videos and to talk about these items, and yeah. Oh hey, what's up guys? I wasn't playing anything. I just wanted to show off my Vita. Yep, I still got the Vita. Anyways, back to the topic. Yeah, so hopefully you guys liked that video and you guys found it helpful. Please give a like if you guys did find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos on what I have to bring to the plate in 2019. So yeah man, all I gotta say is be safe, take care, and I'll see you in the future. Deuces. Three, 2, 1. Mom! Is that the new GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition with the built-in like gimbalization? Is it that is this important that you need me? Dang it, I messed up. Hang on. Freak, look what you made me do, bruh. What is it? What is it that you want from me? Okay, I'm not supposed to look. Okay, take 4. Wait, what is it that you
need help?
Huh?
Here.
No, I think I got it. Let me do one more just in case. Freak. Oh, you can see my lines right there too.
Yeah, that's true.
Freak! Look what you made me do, bruh. What is it that you want from me? Okay, that was